Okay, guys, in this video, we are going to set up our basic Node.js project. And also, we need to require the installations of some dependencies like the Node.js and all. And on the basis of that, we are just continuing with the setups, the backend and frontend, and maintaining the integration of their part. So you have to visit the Node.js अगर आपके लैपटॉप या पीसी या मैक में Node.js install nahi hai, so you can just install there and you just check for the Mac and Windows as well as go into the download sections. You just check for the architecture as well as on the basis of that you just click on the MSI version. Don't use for the chip. Just click on the MSI version and the download is continue to the start. Okay. After download completions, you just need to install that and for the continue for the next. Then this is going to install our basic the Node.js instance of that and after that you just open the command prompt for the testing like कि मेरे पीसी में node install हो चुका है नहीं हुआ. So this is showing the version और अगर नहीं हुआ होगा तो ये बताएगा कि internet action not recognized नहीं कर पा रहा. Okay, so on the basis of that there should be having installation dependencies. Okay, so basic installations of the Node.js करने के बाद आपको एक particular folder open करना है, वहाँ पर अपना VS Code open कर लेना है. Okay, so basically you have to start with the front end. Okay, so we don't need what as of now. We just start with the backend first. So this is the backend order. Then other than this is the front end. Okay, so just for the backend, initially we usually start with the backend. So index.js as initially started. So यहाँ से आप यहाँ पर जाएंगे और टर्मिनल को ओपन करेंगे अपने or you should write some query regarding the first go to the directory of backend and just write npm init minus y. Just created their manually files. If you want to write a change in this, then you can just use the npm init, right? So they asking like this version and this name and all. So मैंने अभी के लिए npm init minus y कर दिया जो on the basis of the by default cases. Okay, तो so यहाँ पर package.json फाइल बन के आ गया जहाँ पर सारे डिपेंडेंसी और स्क्रिप्ट्स और सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है मेरे पास और ये मेरी बेसिक मेन सर्वर फाइल हो जाएगी जहाँ पर मैं अपना पर्टिकुलर नोड का इंस्टेंस रन करूँगा. ओके, so on the basis of that you need to install some of the dependencies, right? So just for the express you need to install the express versions npm express and you need to install the mongodb as well as mongoose and apart from that you need to install course. Okay, as well as just take a minutes for that. After installation, that showing the node modules and package log.json is showing the all the dependencies and the dependency store is here as well as right. There is a versions part. Okay, so there is a file. Just use the simple methods of their require methods require. Okay, so on the basis of that, you just start their working. Okay, so this is the basic. In the next video, we'll go into the part of that the server running. And for the front end side, we'll come over the front end side. यहाँ पर मैं यहाँ पर क्लिक करूँगा फॉर द फ्रंट एंड का टर्मिनल ओपन करने के लिए क्योंकि मेरे को पैरेलली दोनों ओपन चाहिए. मैं आपको ये भी बताऊंगा कि हम एक ही कमांड से दोनों कैसे रन करेंगे. अभी के लिए हम यही चीज देखेंगे. So npx create react app npx create react app should name called tool. So they're starting the creating an application, creating the new react app. They're taking a time because some of the modules they by default be used for that instructions, right? So in the front end side they maintain their part. Okay. template dependencies instructions, SRC should await. Okay. So some of the instructions is not completed will go with the npm I minus force minus one force because sometimes क्या होता है कि आपकी जो डिपेंडेंसीज होती है वो मैच नहीं कर पाती particular set. You should go with the npm I minus one force. I don't have a cd to npm I minus one force. ओके सो मैं यहाँ पर अगर रन करूँगा जो प्रोजेक्ट को npm स्टार्ट करके तो दिस शुड बी फाइन. ओके पर्टिकुलर डेवलपमेंट सर्वर पे मेरा कोड चल जाएगा एट द लोकल होस्ट रिजॉल्व और हम ट्राई करेंगे हमारा पर्टिकुलर कोड नंबर उस पे चल. Okay, so this all about the video of the taking care of backend and frontend setup, and in the next video we'll go into the how we can just initiate our the main project और इसका second part आएगा उसमें हम देखेंगे. Okay, so thank you so much for